Hello, welcome to my channel. Myself Harshika. This is my new video on a journey of distorted masculine to divine masculine. Means in this video we discuss about how distorted masculine is transforming into a divine masculine. So this is the journey. This is a journey of deep level of transformation and rebirth. And in this video we discuss about the energy pattern, the energy field of a distorted masculine, the energy field of a divine masculine, and how distorted masculine is transformed into the divine masculine. So the energy field or the energy pattern of a distorted masculine is always in an anti-clockwise direction. You already know the upper triangle is represent the masculine principle, and this is also known as a upper Markhabic field. And when this upper Markhabic field is rotated in an anti-clockwise direction, it represents the distorted masculine principle. So this is the energy field of a distorted masculine. The divine masculine energy field is it's known as a diamond symmetry or the scarred diamond geometry. This energy field is completely balanced and completely harmonized within himself and within the universe. So this is the energy field of a divine masculine. So how this distorted masculine are transformed, how this energy field are transforming. So there is a stages in a Kundalini ascension journey. This transformation is not happen in suddenly or in an immediate way. This transformation happens into a stages, into a deep level of healing and deep level of changes. So this is the deepest transformation, because to transform this energy field into this energy field is not just a 1 day or 2 day process. This is the deepest level of ascension process. So let me discuss about the stages. So the stage 1 of this transformation, the stage 1 of this in a stage 1 there is a activation, the activation of your upper Markhabic field, the activation of your right side, especially the activation of your Pingla Nadi. We have a 2 nadis inside, the Ingla and a Pingla. Pingla is represent the sun energy, the yang energy, and the Pingla is a masculine principle. When this nadi is activated, when this nadi start activated, means your right side of your is start activated, your right hand is activated, your right leg is activated, your right side of brain is start activation. So this is a big activation. When this activation are started within you, your inner masculine field, yani means your inner Markhabic field are start activating. So this is a stage of activation, means correction in your Markhabic field, the correction in your light body, the correction in your electronic patterns, because the right side is in an electric field and the left side is in a magnetic field. You know, feminine energy is a magnetic and the masculine energy is a electrical. So the activation of your inner electric field or activation of your Pingla Nadi. So this is a first stage of transformation. Now in a stage 2, when the activation are completed, so the merging is start. In the process of merging, your inner masculine energy are start merging in your inner feminine principle. So this is also known as a alchemistic marriage, or the spiritual marriage within you, when your inner masculine and your inner feminine energy are start in a union. So this merging is not just a basic level, this is a multi-dimensional merging. Means this is not just a one layer, there is a many layers are inside, and all layers are start merging or start integrating each other. So this is the deepest level of merging. And in this level of merging there is a correction, correction in your biological DNA, correction in your auric field, the correction in your Markhabic field. In this process of merging, there is also a removal of your spiritual parasite, which I explain in my spiritual disease video. So there is a removal of the alien implants, there is a removal of the spiritual parasite in this process of merging. So in a stage 2, the correction is complete, means now your inner masculine, means the upper Markhabic field rotating in a clockwise motion, and the inner marriage is activated. So this is a stage 2. Now in a stage 3, there is a manifestation of a divine masculine, means this energy field is completely activated in a stage 1. In a stage 2, there is a merging happens, and in a stage 3, this geometrics are created, means the manifestation or the creation of divine masculine. So distorted masculine is completely transformed into a divine masculine with a deep level of merging, because if this energy field is separated, it's created the distorted masculine. If you are separated with your inner masculine, so it manifested the distorted masculine, because the separation create the distorted masculine principle. So when your inner masculine is completely merged with your inner feminine, it's creating the diamond geometric, the energy field of scarred divine masculine. So this is a stage 3. Now the nature of the masculine principle. So if this merging is not happen, if the masculine energy field is separated from a feminine principle, so the energy field of masculine is completely dead, or the distorted masculine. If your inner masculine is separated with your inner feminine, means the masculine energy field is completely dead, and this dead energy field is manifested in this 3D world, in this physical world. So when someone is in a distorted masculine principle, means separated their feminine energy, so so this person is spiritually dead, he is spiritually dead, emotionally broken, and mentally unstable. So distorted masculine energy field creating the disease, the emotional disease, mental disease, and a severe disease you know as addiction. Because if masculine is separated with the feminine, the energy field of masculine is completely dead. So this is a nature of the masculine principle. Then this is a divine nature, you cannot change it. If the masculine is separated from feminine energy field, so the energy of masculine is dead. It's just like the statement, शक्ति के बिना तो शिव भी शव है, means without Shakti there is no Shiva, means without divine feminine there is no divine masculine. So the merging stage is very important for divine masculine. So the distorted masculine energy principle, if someone has a distorted masculine energy principle, means this person is spiritually dead, emotionally blocked or broken, or mentally unstable, and this instability creating the severe emotional mental disease which is known as addiction. So the emotional disease, if someone is in a distorted masculine energy field, this person having a emotional disease, the disease of fears, extreme fears, unnecessary fears, the fears about career, the fears about the personal relationship, the fears about the family issue, any type of fear. Emotional codependency, this person is always emotionally codependent to the others, or choosing the relationship which is based on emotional codependency and attachment. So the attachment is a major issue. The attachments makes him blind. When we are attached with someone, it's creating the blindness. It's different from an unconditional love. So this person is blindfolded in their attachment, plus the thoracic chakra is completely blocked, so unable to expressing their true emotions and feelings. So this is a emotional disease if you are unable to express your true emotions and feelings by words. And the anger and lust. So distorted masculine have always having a anger issues, uncontrolled anger and aggression, and also having the lust issue, seeing women as a sex object or addiction to the porn. Same way the mental disease. This person always having a stress or some kind of depression, obsessive thoughts in their mind, ego, blind ego, or the ego defense mechanism. This person is mentally confused, unable to make a decisions, and there is a excessive daydreaming, mental fog, illusion in their mind. Same, and also feeling a trap. Distorted masculine is unable to take a stand for himself. Distorted masculine don't know their personal power, personal boundaries. He just totally easily manipulated by other. So always feeling a trap, always feeling the helpless situation of a distorted masculine, and these are known as emotional and mental disease, and these disease are created because of this distorted energy field. So distorted masculine also having the addiction issues, means addiction to pain, always choosing a painful relationship, karmic relationship in their love affairs, in their families, or in the friendship. The addiction to love, always needy for a love, means choosing someone who is inferior, or choosing anyone because there is a need of love. There is a difference between desire and need. So the distorted masculine is always a needy for love. This addiction can be a sex, the addiction to sex, watching a porn video or going through a prostitutions. This addiction can be a drugs, alcohol, cigarette smoking. When this person is in a trauma, is in a pain, this person is start avoiding their inner void and focusing on an external pleasure. So when someone is addictive, when someone is emotionally broken or mentally weak, this person is a easiest target for the dark forces. Means the distorted masculine is the easiest target for the dark forces, for especially the evil ancestor power can easily manipulate in his dreams and stealing their true abundance, stealing their destiny, stealing their fortune. Because when someone is broken, emotionally or mentally weak, unable to make decision, the dark forces and the negative alien easily controlling their mind. This person is a very easy target. So this is a energy pattern of a distorted masculine, and these things happen when it's manifested in this 3D physical world. Now the energy pattern of a divine masculine, it's totally different, because the divine masculine energy field is a diamond genetics, diamond scar geometry. So the divine masculine is a very intuitive, spiritually alive, emotionally balanced, powerful, mentally stable. Divine masculine has a high mental consciousness, emotional intelligence. You can't make fool. If you are doing a crocodile tears in the front of divine masculine, you can't make him fools. There is a strong emotional intelligence. So the divine masculine is so expressive. When divine masculine is in a love with the divine feminine, he is easily expressed without the fear of rejection, because this is a original diamond frequency of divine masculine. So divine masculine have a high capacity or high potential to making his dreams come true, to manifesting his desire into the 3D world. Divine masculine making a bold decision. Divine masculine is a action oriented. The divine masculine is not in that type of energy of a neediness or the trapping or the helpless situation. Divine masculine is a best version or the highest self. So the divine masculine is a best friend, best husband, best father, best teacher, or the best galactic warrior. So this is an energy field of a divine masculine. Now how you can create this transformation, how you can get this stage. So there is a two way of activation of divine masculine. If you are a female, so you have to activate your Pingla Nadi, you have to activate your upper Markhabic field, you have to do a healing work in your inner masculine energy and merge with your inner masculine principle. And if you are male and watching this video, so you have to activate your Ingla Nadi, your lower Markhabic field, doing a healing work in your inner feminine principle and get merging with your inner feminine principle. So this is two ways. So this is my video on a journey of distorted masculine to a divine masculine, and this video has a copyright. So if you like my video, please do like, subscribe and share my channel. And I am very glad and thankful to those of you who wishing me on my special day. So today is my birthday, so thank you so much Archana, Prithvi and Darwin who are wishing me. And as again, if you want a personal reading, you can email me. You can read my book on chakras, which is available on Amazon Kindle. So thank you so much for watching.